In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge cells in Google Sheets. If you've ever wanted a clean, centered header that stretches across multiple columns, or you just want a single block to stand out in your spreadsheet, merging cells is a simple way to make that happen. We'll keep it quick and clear so you can follow along with confidence. First, click and drag to highlight the cells you want to join. Think about the area you want to become one larger cell. Maybe it's a row of column headers or a box you want to use as a title. Click in the top left corner of that area, hold down your mouse, and drag across or down until the full rectangle is highlighted. It's important that the cells form a clean rectangular selection. Google Sheets will merge the entire selection into one block that matches that shape. Next, look toward the top toolbar for the Merge Cells icon. It's the one that looks like two brackets facing each other. You'll find it alongside other formatting tools, like alignment and text styles. If you're ever unsure you've got the right button, hover your mouse over the icons and look for the label that says Merge Cells. This is the control that combines everything you've selected into a single cell. Now simply click the icon once. That's all it takes. There's no need to open menus or change additional settings for a basic merge. When you click, Google Sheets immediately converts your highlighted cells into a single, larger cell. Your selected cells are now combined into one single block. You'll see one border around the area you selected, and if you click inside, it behaves like any other cell. You can type, format, and align content as usual. A quick note to keep in mind: when cells are merged, only the content from the upper left cell remains visible. If there was data in other cells within your selection, it won't be displayed after the merge. This is why it's best to merge first for layout, then type your final text into the merged cell, or make sure the text you want to keep is already in that top left spot. Finally, remember that merged cells can affect how sorting and filtering work, since they span multiple columns or rows. Use merging mainly for headers, titles, or visual emphasis, rather than for areas where you'll run calculations or data analysis. With that, you've successfully merged cells in Google Sheets. Clean, simple, and ready for a polished layout.